The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And those who know how to ride the wave are getting richer by the day. The biggest shift in wealth creation since the internet is happening right now. But for most people, it'll fly right past them. In the next few minutes, I'm handing you a proven roadmap: how to leverage AI for investing, trading, and building AI-powered income streams. No hype, no fluff. Just data-backed, actionable strategies that actually work. Let's unlock the AI investor's playbook before it's too late. Here's the big picture. Global AI spending is exploding. In 2024 alone, US private investment in AI topped $109 billion. Generative AI, tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Sora captured nearly $34 billion of that on its own. And we're still early. Markets like North America are projected to 5 times their AI infrastructure spending over the next decade. Meanwhile, Fortune 500 companies are embedding AI in every part of their operations, from hiring to logistics to product design. On the trading side, it's even more extreme. AI now powers over 70% of all equity trading. In Forex, over 90%. That's not a trend, that's a takeover. And here's what that means for you. Money is shifting toward those who understand how to use AI, invest in AI, or build with AI. Sitting on the sidelines now is like ignoring the internet in the early 2000s. This is where it starts. AI-powered investing. This isn't stock tips or Reddit speculation. This is about using AI to analyze trends, generate portfolios, and automate smart decisions. Use robo-advisors tools to screen for high-probability assets. Plug in real-time data, like earnings reports, market sentiment, and technical signals, and have AI rebalance your portfolio monthly. If you're new or risk-averse, start with focused ETFs like Global X's AIQ or Dan Ives' IVEZ fund. If you want bigger upside, look at emerging AI companies, data labeling platforms, edge computing plays, or small-cap automation firms. That's where institutional money is starting to move. This isn't speculation, it's strategy. Combine AI's predictive models with risk metrics like Sharpe ratio and max drawdown. Backtest everything. Here's your move. Commit 5 to 10% of your capital, set up automated alerts, and review performance every 30 days. You're no longer guessing. You're investing with precision. Next up, AI bots. Automated trading used to be exclusive to hedge funds. Not anymore. With tools like MetaTrader, TradingView's PineScript, and open-source Python libraries, anyone can deploy trading bots that operate 24/7. These bots don't sleep, don't second-guess, and never miss a setup. You can automate strategies like mean reversion, buy dips, sell peaks, trend following, ride momentum trades in crypto or equities, scalping, fast in and out trades with tight risk. Even better, you can feed your bots AI-generated signals, from ChatGPT prompts to real-time news sentiment, giving them a sharper edge. Now here's the caution. Bots need tight risk control. Limit your exposure to 5 to 10% of your trading capital. Run paper tests for 30 days before going live, and monitor drawdowns with real-time dashboards. The advantage? Bots make emotionless, fast decisions. And in volatile markets, speed equals survival and profit. Not everyone wants to invest money, but everyone can leverage AI to earn it. Side hustles by AI are exploding. Freelancers now offer ChatGPT prompt optimization, workflow automation with Zapier and Make, custom AI chatbot builds for businesses. You can start with zero coding. Platforms like Bubble or Notion let you create entire digital products and workflows without writing code. You can also launch a YouTube or TikTok channel reviewing AI tools, tutorials, or side hustle ideas, monetizing with high CPM affiliate links. In fact, content in the finance and AI niche earns among the highest ad rates online. Even traditional businesses are waking up. Real estate agents are using AI for lead gen. Coaches are automating client onboarding. Local shops are using AI chatbots for customer service. Whether you're student or solopreneur, this is your edge. Small-time creators with AI tools are outcompeting legacy businesses. Choose a niche, build a solution, and let AI make money for you. Let's talk risk, because even the smartest AI won't protect you from overexposure or bad strategy. Start by limiting your AI investing or bot trading to no more than 10% of your portfolio. If something fails, you're still in the game. Set up rebalancing once per quarter. Use AI dashboards to monitor volatility, returns, and correlation across assets. Always vet your tools. Don't blindly trust AI signals. Validate them with historical data and your own logic. Remember, AI is a co-pilot, not the pilot, and be wary of hype. Yes, AI is changing everything, but not every AI startup or token will survive. Stick to tools and platforms solving real problems, and avoid speculation disguised as innovation. This is about building durable, automated income streams, not gambling on buzzwords. Let's wrap it all up. Use AI to invest smarter. ETFs, stocks, and automation strategies. Deploy bots to trade fast and emotion-free. Monetize AI with side hustles, from freelance gigs to full-blown automated businesses. Protect yourself. Cap exposure, rebalance quarterly, and verify every signal. Right now, the wealth gap is growing between those who use AI and those who don't. This isn't a future trend, it's today's economy. Don't just consume the AI revolution, profit from it. The window is open. Make your move now.